what I'm doing here. And I'm so much a believer in this. It's a specialty training. It's absolutely not practice. It's a specialty training. That was 2 Spin Hawk, by the way. I might be a little repetitious on some of these videos, but I am such a believer in this method of training. It's the band training, where you can narrow your left and right and helps your stance, where to stand facing the target card, if you will. It's more probably a mountain man training than it is a conventional training. But see, I've got the bands about the width of the length of the card, and put a card somewhere and train, throw, get after it. Now you notice the bands are running this way. That's for your left and right to become more accurate with where your hawk or your knife lands, this way, as proportion to the bullseye or a playing card. I also turn them this way. You see what I'm saying? I get horizontal and vertical mixed up. This is vertical. I also do them horizontal, the length of the bullseye on both ends, or the playing card, or the business card, or whatever. But that helps your up and down, your release, the power, how much powder you put in the cartridge. Boom. And with muscle memory helping, then it'll help you release that way every time and get your up and down right. And this way here, your left and right. So repetition, yes, just like training. Training is not doing something once. It's repetition. And then when you get ready to go to a competition, if you have an idea what kind of games you'll play, or with conventional it's pretty simple. You just try to hit the center of the bullseye, or hit the bullseye 4 inches. So a card's a little smaller. So even conventional training, I would suggest throwing at smaller objects and doing the band training. These are just rubber bands and golf tees holding them up there. And I personally believe that it has helped me some. Probably more than I think. But we will see down the road. So thank you for your time.